Hello, my name is Tanya P. I am from Colorado. My granddaughter was scrolling on YouTube and I saw a gnome that was cute, and I hit the page to watch Sarah making this gnome. I watched more of her videos and started talking to her. I joined her first group, Tenderfoot Village, and then started talking to Sarah about the different ways to make gnomes, and she said she was going to start a membership group. Her and I talked several times about her group and the different ways that she could do things, and kind of what I was looking for and what she was looking for in a group. The communication with Sarah is wonderful. If you need help, she's there for you anytime that you need it. She's always available and will answer any question that you have. And if she can't get to your question right then, she will get back with you. Even if she does need to do a messenger phone call with you. We have made several gnomes. I thought I would show a few of them to you. I'm very excited. This is our Frankenstein Gnome that we made in the paid group, which I think is called the Tenderfoot Members Club, which is $20 a month. And she does several tutorials on making gnomes. She does Q&As. She does things on how to make noses, how to make shoes. And even after you do and watch the tutorial with her, sometimes she'll have open up a room so that all of the ladies can come in and talk to her personally, show her what they've done. If you have any kind of questions, she'll answer them at that point in time. Very, very responsible, very respectful to her members. This is our mummy one that we made. And Sarah doesn't just also kind of forget about her other group. She opens up other things to her Tenderfoot Village, not just a member group, like our Betty the Bat. This she opened up to both of her groups, which I thought was very nice of her. She has said over and over and over again that she does not want to forget about the first group that she started, which of course was the Tenderfoot Village, and that's how I saw her, and thanks to my granddaughter, I've continued on with it. I love making the gnomes. She's very informative. This is the last gnomes that we just made. This was also available for both of the groups, and I've already talked to a couple of my friends who are wanting to join and enjoy the fun of making gnomes, and I would recommend Sarah's group to anybody, either one of the groups. If you don't want to pay for a membership, she does a very great job with her other one, and the videos that she makes on those are great. You can also put something in the comment section on the Tenderfoot Village page, and she will get right back with you. She's a wonderful person. Very, very wonderful and caring person about everybody that watches her videos. And she just wants to teach people to have fun and to make gnomes. So I would recommend her if you want to enjoy yourself, have some fun, talk to some ladies like myself, and be taught by a lady who wants everybody to learn and possibly start a business in this. Then join her club. I recommend it from my heart. She is a wonderful person. Thank you.